Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have to tell you about this amazing little product.
Once I hit my 30s, recovering from a night out took a lot longer than it used to. So I was really excited to try this product, HANGSHOT. It is so convenient. You just drink this packet about 30 minutes before you have your first drink for the night, and all of these amazing vitamins and support blend that they have put in it really helps you to not have to suffer the consequences of having one or two extra drinks the night before. It is super easy to take. It's this great liquid. You just drink it right up. I actually really enjoyed the flavor of it. It is super convenient and it really works. I love this stuff.
If you want to be able to enjoy yourself without having to worry about the next day, try Hang Shot. You are going to be so happy you did, and that's my point of view.